They told you to walk 10,000 steps a day to stay young. They were wrong. Aging does not begin in your legs. It does not begin in your heart. It begins here, in your spine. Right now, as you sit watching this, your spine is doing one of two things. It is either flowing like a river or hardening like concrete. And that single difference, just that, is the line between vitality and decay. Picture two spines. The first is brittle, locked, compressed, a stack of dry stones grinding against one another with every breath. This is the spine of the aged, no matter what the calendar says. The second is fluid, supple, alive, a golden chain of pearls moving in quiet rhythm, bending without resistance. This is the spine of the truly young. Your biological age has nothing to do with time. It has everything to do with movement, whether your spine still waves or whether it has already begun to die. By the end of this video, you will understand the one ancient movement that Taoist masters called the gate of life and death, the hidden switch in your back that determines whether you age forward or begin to reverse the process. Here's what they never told you. Your brain floats in a luminous fluid. The ancients called it the heavenly water. Modern science calls it cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. This fluid is not still. It pulses. It circulates. It washes through your brain each night, clearing the debris of stress, thought, and time itself. But here is the secret. Few understand. This fluid only moves when your spine moves. When your spine stiffens, when it locks into a protective, rigid posture, the pump shuts down, the river becomes a pond, and in stagnant water, aging accelerates. Think of it this way. A flowing river stays clean, fresh, alive. A stagnant pond turns toxic, breeding decay. Your cerebrospinal fluid behaves the same way. When it flows, your mind stays sharp, your nerves remain calm, your cells repair and regenerate. When it stagnates, brain fog appears. Fatigue becomes constant. Your face begins to sag, your thoughts slow, and your body quietly enters decline. Modern neuroscience has now confirmed what Taoist masters understood 3,000 years ago. The brain's cleansing system, the glymphatic system, only activates when cerebrospinal fluid is moving, and that movement is governed by one thing, the wave of your spine. Stiffness is not a symptom of aging. Stiffness is aging, and the antidote is not found in pills, supplements, or machines. The antidote is a wave. The Taoists had a saying, "You are only as young as your spine is flexible." They understood the spine was never just a structure. It's the axis of life itself. In Taoist physiology, the spine is the channel through which life force rises from the earth and descends from the heavens. When the spine is fluid, energy flows freely. When the spine is stiff, energy becomes trapped, and the body begins to wither from within. This was never poetry. It was biology. Modern movement science now confirms it. Spinal mobility directly regulates the autonomic nervous system, the system that decides whether your body is in stress and breakdown or rest and repair. A mobile spine activates the parasympathetic state, flooding your body with healing signals. A stiff spine locks you into fight or flight, accelerating inflammation, cellular aging, and cognitive decline. The monks who lived past 100 did not lift heavy weights. They did not run marathons. They moved their spines, daily, rhythmically, intentionally, and their bodies remained supple, strong, and alive. You do not need a gym. You do not need an hour. You need 3 minutes. You need a wave. And in the next part, I will give it to you. This is the movement that changes everything. The Taoists called it the spinal wave. Other traditions know it as the caterpillar or the serpent's breath. It is the single most powerful motion for reversing biological stiffness, flooding your brain with the golden fluid of youth, recharging your body from the inside out. You can do this standing, sitting, or lying down. The secret is not strength. The secret is flow. Step 1. The root stand with feet hip-width apart, knees soft, or sit forward on a chair, feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Feel your weight sinking into the earth. You are grounded. You are stable. This is your foundation. Step 2. The tuck, gently tilt your pelvis forward as if scooping your tailbone slightly under. Your lower back flattens, not a crunch, not forceful. This subtle tilt wakes up the base of your spine, the root of your golden channel. Hold. Feel the activation. Step 3. The ripple. Now the wave begins. Let the tilt travel upward, vertebra by vertebra, like a ripple moving through water. Lower back tilts, mid-back rounds, upper back arches. Head gently tilts back, chin lifting, then reverse it. Head drops, upper back rounds, mid-back arches, lower back extends. Pelvis tilts back, down and up, down and up. You are a caterpillar. You are a serpent. You are the ocean. Do this slowly, fluidly, for 3 minutes. Do not force. Just flow. Within 30 seconds, you may feel it, a warmth at the base of your spine, a tingling rising up your back, a subtle heat spreading through your skull. This is not imagination. This is your cerebrospinal fluid beginning to move. This is the inner shower. This is the glymphatic system activating. This is the pump of life restarting. The ancient Taoist masters called this the ascent of the golden elixir. Modern science calls it glymphatic activation. You can call it whatever you like. What matters is this. You are no longer stagnant. You are no longer aging the old way. You are reversing the process. This is not exercise. This is not stretching. This is a daily reset. Every morning, before coffee, before your phone, before the noise of the world, give your spine 3 minutes to wave, to flow, to flood your brain with the fluid of youth. Over time, something will shift. Your posture opens. Your breath deepens. Your mind clears. People start asking, "What are you doing differently?" And you smile because you know. You have unlocked the gate. Your body was never meant to harden. It was meant to flow like water, like wind, like a river that never ages because it never stops moving. So here is your new identity. Here's the truth you speak to yourself every day. My body flows like water. I am timeless. Say it now, out loud. My body flows like water. I am timeless. If you are ready to reverse stiffness, reactivate your brain, and reclaim the vitality time tried to steal, then make your declaration in the comments. Just 2 words. I am fluid. This is your commitment. This is the moment you stop aging the old way and start flowing into the rest of your life.